be this. Thank you.
Yes, woo! This is my first time here at Preakness. So far, I'm loving it. Frankly, I'm loving the scenery of everything. Woo! Jasmine! Jasmine! That was absolutely wonderful. The bikini contest, I mean, what a way to start off the day. Looking at some girls sitting on stage. You can't beat it, bro. You can't beat it.
First up is our People's Choice winner.
This is the best 10 a.m. I've ever had. I got to see girls in bikinis. I can drink beer. Preakness is a great place. I'll be coming back every year from now till then, and I'll never miss it again.
It just makes everything taste better with a rubber ducky in your drink. And so now, you know, it's just like a nice touch. You just like mug club, just like drop her in. And came down here from Boston. I wanted to go to a horse race, and the Preakness was like closer than the Derby, I guess. And I heard a lot of good things about the Preakness. So I wanted to come check it out. Definitely, you know, stoked to have a black-eyed Susan or a few, and just see the horses and dress like this, and yeah, that'd be fun.
I love him.
I mean, if I don't run across a porta potty by the end of today, I'm gonna be really disappointed in the whole day, honestly. Like I'm gonna be really upset. Like I just really want to do a porta potty run later.
So much fun right now.
1, 2, 3.
No, we do.
You see like all people from like every walk of life, and it's like super awesome. And like you see a girl like that who's like she's trying to make money, and it's like, you know, that's what you do. You're like, hey, let's take a shot. It's fun. It's fun. It's a fun time. Preakness is a fun time, and that's why you come to Preakness, for the fun. You don't come to be like a wet blanket, obviously.
The smooth criminal on beat breaks. Never put me in your box in the city. The city never sleeps. Full of killers and creeps. Where